assessment of the day. How's it going to go?
Because then he puts it up on YouTube and shit like that. I spent my whole life trying to avoid it.
Marcus, how are you feeling?
Okay.
Okay. Dennis, how are you feeling? Good. Oops, how are you feeling? Cool.
Fantastic.
Ladies? Ladies. How are we feeling? You feeling fun?
Some video.
Yeah. No, hang on. Let me hang on, no, there you go, ladies. All the acting skills are coming out now, aren't they? Yeah. All the dramas. Yeah. This is the start of the. This is the start. We'll see what it's like at the end. We're not at the Big Buddha yet. The Big Buddha's up there somewhere. Nice. Yeah, no, it's not about hammering it. We made it to the Big Buddha. Everybody's looking a little bit race to the top. We're not running up there, are we? You've been up here, right? Oh! Great. It's great. Yeah, Big Buddha.
Blew down the doors to let me in. Shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I've become.
Take a video of that. How was the ride then, Dennis? How are the chips, by the way? Yeah. Oh, they look nice, yeah. Yeah, not very warm either, I know. There's Adam, take the pictures. Marcus, how was the ride up the hill? Yeah. Woohoo!